He's stepping on snow for the first time.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just got it all in your shoe though. You need to kick it off before you go.
Yeah.
I almost ate shit right there.
I can go to sleep like that.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, it's so fun.
I know. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing right now and I just realized that I didn't intro the vlog. So welcome back to the vlog, day 16. It's a few days late, but I just wanted to let you guys know which vlog it was, and I just wanted to let you guys know which vlog it was and give you guys a little intro. So there you go.
You're gonna freeze.
Ooh, you frozen.
Oh look, it's so cool. It's super wow. It's funny because I never saw snow like that before.
Did you take a picture?
Yeah,
Did you send? You gotta send it to your parents.
I would. You can't actually see that.
Yeah, you
On
can.
your
Look,
phone.
you can see it on the camera. You just need to stay still.
It's not look, everything started to be like that's cool as fuck.
Look at the cars. It's already building up with the cars.
I know. How you doing?
How you doing? He's doing good. He's in a truck.
He's like, what they're doing outside like that?
The first snowfall that Ofa has ever experienced.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look the car. Start to get some snow on it.
That's why we have automatic starters.
That's good.
You see the ground already?
Yeah.
It's already starting to lay. It starts to lay when it's too cold to go anywhere else. It's so cold it's freezing, so it'll always stay until it gets warmer. Whew! Gonna go in? Let's go.
Yeah, you'll need to wear your gloves today.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so blue. Okay.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Yum. Focus. There we go.
Wow! Look at that! That's so cool.
Isn't it crazy?
Wait, I need to go outside.
Babe, it's starting to pick up, Dad. It's starting to get super heavy. What?
What you doing?
Do you want to do snow angels?
No.
My mom said we can.
Here?
Yeah,
I know.
it's all foggy. The other side. You have to unlock it. Yeah. Alright. Ofa's just experiencing something for the first time. Stepping on snow.
What?
He's stepping on snow for the first time.
I stepped on ice.
He's gonna be out in.
He just said, I stepped on ice.
This is why it's been so stuck. Why it's so
It's the snow. My dad's gonna kill me for leaving the door open. Come on.
Okay.
Alright, Sam.
Watch. I told you.
That's...
Switch me spots.
Yeah.
long slope, sort of. That's a little one.
There you go. Yeah.
You go. We need to get the best snow shot.
Ah,
All right, let's go.
The car's on.
the car is on.
Yeah. Dad, did you hear him?
Have you ever,
You know what this broom is for? Not to sweep the steps off with the from the dirt. For the snow.
what is it?
Your... Oh yeah, you got the waters?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Watch.
Look.
Oh, because you will sleep. Like,
Yeah.
Have you ever, fell?
Yeah, oh my god. Too many times. You
Everybody ends up
everyone
falling.
eats shit sometimes.
Woo! That's...
Yeah. You just got it all in your shoe though. You need to kick it off before you go,
Yeah. That's insane. Alright, you can walk on that.
They're in charge of this area. You know, yeah, certain area here. And they're called boroughs. And
guys, we made it to one of my favorite places, the East End Food Co-op. Oh my god, it's so cold and snowy. Alright. He said don't lollygag around just because it's snowing. I almost ate shit right there. So the East End Food Co-op is a food co-op. There's different farmers and there's a whole bunch of like organic and vegan and fresh and just super good food. So, oh, there's a 20 shopper limit in the store for proper social distancing.
Babe, you're gonna love it.
Yes, so good.
This is an Israeli company, no?
This is a classic cream cheese if you want to grab that. That's a different brand. But I'm sure it's good still. And these are hot dogs and these are...
No.
You just want cheese? You want to try the Daya? Oh wait, but these are...
I want these. I want that.
Which one? Do you want the other one we had? Okay. Rain or snow. Look at my footprints. They're already covered.
Oh, wait till you see this hill.
Alright, I'm ready.
Looks like they got it covered until now, but it's a little bit scary. Isn't it crazy? Put your head down. Don't put your hands down. Put your hands down. No, no. You're gonna do it. You gotta pull up on the front of the bag a little. Pull up on the front of the bag, yeah.
Like, I just check it like this.
Yeah, pull it up just a little bit so it has a little bit more glide to it. Yeah. There you go.
That's so awesome.
Oh.
It's actually like her.
I know.
Make another one.
Another what? Another snowball?
Yeah. It's funny that I never had this childish. You want to take two?
Pictures? Yeah, I want to take with you. Hey, okay, so it's been a really long time since I updated you guys. It is 8:54 right now, and it has been a really long day, and I'm probably gonna go to sleep soon. So I want to get up early. I want to edit some videos. I haven't edited vlogmas in the last few days, so I need to get on that. I'm gonna have to edit this video. Olfa's already sleeping, so I know he's gonna wake up super early, so I want to be ready for that as well. So I'm gonna get to sleeping soon. I'm gonna start doing my night routine and everything like that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.